Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. Today we're going to make one simple salad. It's not too much stuff goes in there. Whatever you have at home, you can put it. You don't have to buy too much stuff. And this is going to be very good with the pan-fried chicken or maybe some other kind of chicken or maybe burger patty. If you don't want to eat bun, if you're health conscious, so you don't have to eat bread, so you can eat with the salad. So I'm going to show you simple salad, okay? To make salad, I have some few ingredients. I have some Roman lettuce over here. There's a big bunch of organic Roman lettuce, and red bell pepper and green bell pepper. 1 tomato I'm using. Mushrooms are optional. My son likes it, so I'm putting it for him. And I'm using 1 apple. If you have a Granny Smith apple, the green one, that's better, but I'm using this one for right now. And I'm using a English cucumber because this cucumber don't have any seeds in there. So okay, let's go wash all the stuff and start chopping them. Okay, we'll start with the lettuce. This is the lettuce. We are not gonna cut the lettuce with knife. If you cut the lettuce with the knife, it's going to get brown soon. So if you just break them like this and put in the strainer, just break them, it's going to be easy. Crispy, crunchy lettuce leaves. You can even make with the tacos with this. You can put the meat, whatever you want, sour cream and stuff inside the leaf and make a salad. I think I did the recipe before. The shrimp, yeah. I think I have a shrimp taco recipe. If you want, you can go check it in my YouTube channel. You just stir them with your hand like this. Okay. I'm gonna go wash it. Then I'm gonna spin it. Okay, we wash our lettuce leaves. You can even wash it before you chop them. And then cover it. I'm gonna let the water drain. If you don't have a spinner, you can put it in a strainer and let it drain all the water, okay? Otherwise the salad is going to be very mushy and... Okay, stop it. Okay, our lettuce is ready. We're going to put it in a bowl. So it is a bigger leaf pieces, you can make it smaller. Okay, now we're going to chop cucumber. Okay, now we'll chop the cucumber. Cut it in half. It's very easy to peel. And whatever the peelings comes out from my salads and my vegetables, I put it in my garden. This makes very good fertilizer. I have actually compost pile. I keep all these vegetables peelings and fruit peelings, eggshells. Sorry, I've been having bad allergies. So I keep everything and I go put it in my compost pile. Then I have some old pots of soil in my pots, old pots, like the plants died or something. I put it on top of it. So this makes very good soil. This makes very good fertilizer for your plants. So don't throw all these peelings. You can put it in your flower beds, or maybe you can put it in the compost pile. You can put it in the flower beds or maybe vegetable garden, wherever you want to put it. Okay, cucumber is done, so we'll add it to the salad. Then we'll take some piece of red bell pepper. Remove the seeds. You can cut it in small long pieces. Cut in the middle. Okay, now green bell pepper. You can take a piece. So many seeds in there. Okay, add that. And if you like mushrooms, so optional, don't have to add it if you don't want it. I got really bad allergies because I work a lot in the garden. So it's very hot over here and very humid. You peel your apple if you want it. Otherwise you can put it just like that. Tomato, I'm not gonna add it right now. I'm going to add it before we eat, okay? Otherwise it's going to release the water. Your salad is going to goes bad. Okay, now we're gonna add some cheese. I know youngsters want definitely some cheese, so you can add some cheese. And if you have some cranberries, you can add some of that. Some almonds. Some raisins. Okay, our salad is ready. We're going to make some dressing for that. Very simple, very easy, only in few things, very healthy. Okay friends, to make salad dressing, I'm using few spoons of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil, cold press, okay? Always buy cold press. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. Not too much. Okay, we will add some rice vinegar. 2 spoons. Or you can add lemon juice. That's okay too. And you can use local honey always. So I got some local honey, raw unfiltered honey. So you get that. And 1 spoon of honey. Okay. This makes very good salad dressing. If you like, you can put some dry basil. Voila, our salad and salad dressing is ready. Okay friends, our salad is ready. So you can eat with anything as a side dish, or maybe sometimes if you don't feel like eating anything, you have the salad to eat. You can eat. It's a complete meal. You have the cheese in there, and you have nuts in there. You have everything in there. Okay, if you like my videos, please click like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye. See you next video.